Welcome back to our channel, everyone. I am in the workshop again. I am with the Corrado VR6. So last video was showing you around it. Today what we're going to do is weld that piece into the bottom of the near side front wing because it's rotten, so I've managed to get a repair piece. It's quite chilly in here today, so you might be able to hear the heater in the background. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is get this cleaned up. So I'm going to save as much of this original wing as possible. So what I'll do first is take this back just to check to see how far the rot goes. And then we'll start cutting it out. So we got the wheel arch liner out. So that's out. Got it jacked up, we got it on a stand. This wing's actually quite solid down there. This looks like it's only caught this edge. So I'll start taking off that paint. We'll start taking it back. And we'll see what we're left with, because it is undersealed under there, so it's only just come off this corner. So you might get away with just cutting out sort of up to here, but let's see. Right, let's get that paint wire wheeled off then. So looking at that, I think we've been quite lucky with this wing. So actually, I think we're going to be able to, if you check around here, look, we're probably going to be able to cut about here. And then we'll come across. Probably go down at that angle. Again, I don't want to take out too much. Down to here and down. If you see underneath, it's not actually that bad. It's under there, look. So I think we might get away with cutting down there and round to there. And we don't need to disturb this piece here. So I think we'll start getting that cut out. Just grab the repair piece after that. So let's get a grinding disc on and start cutting it away. So this is just a 1mm cutting disc. Let's cut out. That's the rot. Now I get the repair piece. It's in the boot. So here's the repair piece. Quite a large piece. So I actually bought this off of eBay. I bought a whole wing and then I just asked the gentleman to cut this piece off because it was £15. So what we'll do now is I'll start cleaning off this bit that we need to weld in. Slight bit of surface rust under here, but that's fine. That will come up lovely, and you can see under here, no rot. So So let's start getting that cleaned up with the wide wheel. So there we go. Piece is cleaned up. So now what I need to do is to lay that other piece over the top and cut it out. So we'll lay that over. I mean, I usually cut off slightly more anyway and then trim it up. So, because obviously you've got your 1mm cutting disc gone through that, so we'll mark that up. I'm just going to grab a pen. Right, so that's that piece cut out. I'm now going to offer it up, and it will need some trimming, but that's fine. It's better to cut off a bit more than less. So do that top piece first. Just going to sit about, it's not too far off to be fair. We'll just get that trimmed up nicely. So by trimming that, I'll just use a flat wheel. So let's see how close that is. Getting there, but it's still not quite. Still needs a little bit more coming off. Don't be too far off now. Yeah, so it's getting that. Yeah, it's not far off. Pretty close now. That's pretty good. That's pretty much there. Let's get some clamps and we'll see. Right. That. Do that. It's not far off that. That's pretty good. Tommy ground it back as well. So let's get that spotted in. And then we'll be ready to rock and roll. So let's get that spotted in. One. Lovely. Let's get that one in. Beautiful. Lines up nice. This one round here in. Take this out. Cheers. Beautiful. Perfect. That's it. It's a case of getting this filled in now. Go. I think that's all of it. There it is. So now we can get that round back. So it's not 100%, but I'm fussy, so nothing's ever 100% to me. That's welded in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grind that back with a flat disc very gently. Don't want to take off any of the metal either side of it, but just grind that weld back, and then when it goes to paint it'll have a tiny bit of filler and a bit of paint on it after. So let's grind it back. So there we go. That repair piece is in. Get some primer on it, a little bit of filler, and then it'll be ready to paint along with the other parts in the car. Quite pleased with how it's turned out. It's not 100%, but I am quite fussy, so to me nothing's ever 100%. I think that's good. Fit the job, fit the bill, and it means that it's now solid. So just to recap what we did, so we ground back the paint first, only took out as much rot as we needed to. It's always good to keep as much of the original metal as possible, so that's all we took out. See if there. And then we used this repair panel, which I got from eBay actually, from a kind seller. I managed to, well, you see, he's just cut it off here for me. We've tacked it, welded it, ground it back, and now it's ready for a skimmer filler and a bit of primer. And then it'll get painted along with the other bits on the car. So that's it. The Corrado's out. It's had the little piece of welding done, which I'm pleased with. Bonnet's had all the lacquer scraped off. It's just back to the paint shop now to go and have the bodywork done. So as I said before, it's going to have this wing done, so the near side front wing, the bonnet, got replacement wing for the offside front. It's having this side painted because someone's keyed it, unfortunately, and there. It's having the roof done as well, and it's having the tailgate done soon, just to get rid of this. So let's go and get it around to the paint shop. So I'm back in the Corrado. I'm just about to drive around to the paint shop. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to showing you the paintwork once it's done. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next episode.